Immediately fix that DirecTV stream black screen and app crash on startup. We're diving straight into 4 powerful methods to get your streaming back online right now. First, clear your DirecTV stream app's cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the DirecTV stream app, select storage and clear both cache and all app data. This removes any corrupt temporary files causing the black screen or crash. Restart your device, then relaunch DirecTV stream. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the DirecTV stream black screen, the issue often lies with outdated software, leading us to our next crucial step. Method 2. Update your DirecTV stream app and your device's operating system. Check your app store for DirecTV stream updates and your device settings for any system OS updates. Installing these ensures compatibility and fixes known bugs. Still battling the DirecTV stream app crash? Network connectivity is a frequent culprit, so let's tackle that with method 3. Power cycle your router and modem. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in, followed by the router. This refreshes your internet connection, resolving many streaming problems. Should network adjustments not work, a clean slate is often the most effective solution for persistent DirecTV stream startup issues, which brings us to method 4, a complete reinstall. You install the DirecTV stream app from your device, power cycle the device. Then head back to the App Store to download and reinstall it fresh. This eliminates any deeply corrupted app files, giving you a clean, working DirecTV stream experience. Follow these steps and banish that black screen.